Hi, this is Greg Sain with the Options Power Team, DominateBinaryOptions.com. I've been giving free daily signals to my team, 3 a day, for the last few days. And today, because of high impact news, I made a post. Due to high impact news today, I will not be posting trade signals. It's supposed to be signals until after 10 a.m. because I did it on my phone. Anyway, I posted attention power traders in light of the high impact news today. I'm giving one signal today, silver 15.10 or high, take put for end of day, happy surfing. Well, as you can see, silver started spiking, is over 15 right now. I took a trade at 15.06, which is less than what I told everybody to do because I want everybody to be in a good place for the end of money, and it's set for end of day. So we'll see what it does. If it wins, I make $4,000 a day. End of story. Be back at 3 o'clock and we'll see what happens. Okay, it's 9:02. I just got back to my computer, and as you can see, silver spiked up again, but now it's starting to make that descent. So I think it'll probably get back down past this before the end of the day. But just to be on the safe side, I set up my binary options equalizer, and it told me if I lose this trade, take a 16,250. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to take a for end of day, or I could take a half hour. All right. And maybe, but that's too volatile for me to take a half hour, especially considering my indicator is showing that it could still go higher. It's way above the, it just ticked above the slope, and it's above the blue, the top line of the Bollinger Band. So that means it's probably going to go down instead of up. So now would be a perfect time to take that trade. So I'm going to take a 16,000 for 1,500 just to be on the safe side for another hour. So I'm going to take 10,000, put, apply, approve, and then a 6,250, put, apply, approve. Alright, so now I've got these two are it's still kind of spiking up a little bit, but it's going to start dropping because that's just part of the deal. As you can see, it's going to drop. But I've got $16,250 traded for a makeup if this one loses by the end of the day. So in another hour, because it's 14:04 right now, so in another hour I'm going to come back and check. If both of these have won, it doesn't matter if this one loses or not. If it wins, I just make more money. Because right now let's see, drop down one more time. Drop down one more time. Went up again. Well, don't worry. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, yeah, it's going to go down. So when it goes back down, which is going to do because the indicator, even though it's saying it's going to go up, it went past the top Bollinger. It's already past the top Bollinger Band. It's already past the bob and slope once, so it's going to drop back down. Now I can open up another indicator that I have that shows a few different type of things in it as well. And, it's got a trend. It's got a trend reversal in it as well, and it's showing that is the daily high there, which means it probably won't get much higher than that, and it's already hitting that double line, which is the resistance. So that resistance and being above the bob and slope and above the Bollinger Band tells me that it is a very high likelihood that that trade is going to start dropping. Even though it's up higher than it is right now, it's up a bit now, but it is my belief that in the next 45, 50 minutes, it's going to start dropping. So I'm going to come back in a minute and we'll see what happens. Peace. And I'm back. Looks like it's touch and go. It's been like this for the last 5 minutes. It's the kind of thing that'll make you go crazy if you don't have the discipline. And I really should have taken those for the end of the day. But, you know, whatever. We're going to sit here for 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and we're going to wait and see what it does in the last final seconds. As you can see, it's showing a downtrend, and it's dropping. It's just not dropping fast enough for me. But if it drops into here, I'm good to go. And I got 2 minutes to go. So let's just watch it here, because I don't even want to watch it from the chart. I'll just wait for it to close and see what happens. It's 2 minutes. No point in wasting 2 minutes on a video just sitting watching a chart. So let me pause it. Okay, we're back. We're back now, and it's still kind of staying down, and it's saying I got like 30 seconds to go. I still haven't looked at my actual page yet. I probably should look and see what I'm doing here. Oh yeah, okay, we're looking pretty good. Yeah, it's dropping. I just dropped again. Yeah, I'm good to go. So those two are going to make up for that loss if it indeed loses. I don't think it's going to lose, but even if it does, I'm going to put $29,250 in my pocket for right now. And it doesn't matter what that does because it's going to make up for that. Yep, boom, done. So I can go to the Equalizer now, hit win, and it automatically makes back the 5,000 twice and put some money in my pocket. Now let's just see how much it actually does put in my pocket. Okay, let's see. Let's go back over here. We've got the last trade for the day is still open at 5,000. So that's in. Whether I win or lose, that's $5,000 that I put into the game. Alright, here are the expired positions here. So these are my three trades. A 5,000 from the open position, right? That's still losing. And the two that I made today. So if you take the 5,000 plus the 6,000 plus the 6,250 plus the 10,000 gives you 29,000. No, gives you $21,250. This plus this equals $21,250. Okay. Now, in the event that the other one loses, let's just say it loses, and I lose that $5,000. This 6,250 put $11,250 in my pocket. The $10,000 trade put $18,000 in my pocket, which made a total of $29,250. Now, let's say this trade actually loses. Okay? If it does lose, I'm going to put $8,000 in my pocket today. If it wins, however, then my winnings are going to be substantially higher for the day. I don't know exactly because I don't know what it's going to end up being. But we do know that it's 80%. So if I win, that's $5,000 plus 80% will equal $9,000, which will put another $4,000. So it'll be $12,000 in my pocket today. If this wins, it probably won't because it may not drop much lower than where it is right now. Because what silver does when it has a day like today, it'll spike up and then it'll sit right in here for the rest of the day. But that's what the binary options equalizer pad does for you folks. Now, I've got a substantially large account, so I can do that. But all you have to do is take these numbers and drop it down. Take 2 zeros off, $50. In these trades, take 2 numbers off, $100, $62, right? You still would have been up. Instead of $8,000, you'd have made $800 a day, right? Or $80 a day. But you'd have made money because you use the binary options equalizer. So no matter what that trade does today, I'm making money. I've already made $8,000 today, regardless to what that trade does. Regardless to what this does, I've already made $8,000 a day. So I'm going to pause. Instead of ending it, I'm going to pause, and I'm going to come back at the end of the day and see what that last trade does and let you know what happens. I'll be back about 2:45, 2:50 later on in the day. That's about 5-6 hours. Peace. Okay, I'm back. It's 6:29 p.m. now. I had some stuff to do today, so I couldn't get back by 3 o'clock. But as you can see, the $5,000, the original trade, lost for the day. So, like I said, I did everything I needed to do. I did a second and a third trade, which was supposed to be one trade, but because I couldn't do all of that in one trade, I had to split them up. But those 2 trades won. So I lost 1 and I won 2. And when it was all said and done, I put $8,000 in my pocket today. $8,000. Okay. Now that's a big account. A big account that ended up at over $61,000 after being down to $42,000. But again, these are big numbers that I use because this is what I do for a living. But if you got a $500 or a $600 or a $1,000 account, all you have to do is go back, take these numbers out. A $50 account, a $50 trade would have lost. Okay. Your next trade wouldn't have been $100. It would have been $168 or something like that. Then that trade would have won, and you'd have put, instead of losing $50, you would have put $80 in your pocket. All right? Is that a lot of money? No, it's not. However, $80 is a good start. Okay? And if you're consistently having profits in your account, you can't lose. Okay? This is my binary options pad for my RB options account. I've got 3 or 4 different accounts, but with each account I have a different pad. So all you have to do is click on it and change the name to whatever you want it to be. It can be silver or whatever. Okay, so I can change my RB options too, because I got 2 RB options accounts, but I can change it to silver, right? And then it's my pad for just silver. Or if I'm doing one pad for a particular broker, say Cherry Trade, and hit, ERRY, Cherry Trade, all right, then that can be for Cherry, all right. But the point I'm making is this product works. This software saves you money and makes you money at the same time. So you're always in a money-making position 24/7, 365. All right. Now, I used 2 indicators that gave me the indications that helped me make that money today. Okay. This one, right? And I used the second one to double my confirmation, because this one has daily high, daily lows, and it has support and resistance lines, okay, to go along with the other indicators. You get all of these for free. You get both of these indicators for free, which help you make the right trades at the right time. And you get, once you get this, you get the indicators for free. All right. And you also become a member of my team, the Options Power Team, which is a secret group, and the Options Equalizer, which is a secret group. Okay. So that's your access once you join and get the Options Equalizer. All right. Go to just where you see this, click on this, and go to theoptionsequalizer.com. And I'll see you on the inside. And hey guys, small accounts. For the rest of the week and all in the next week, I'm going to do nothing but $25 trades. I'm going to even do some $5 and $1 trades and show you how you can still use this product. All right? Have no fear. The binary options equalizer is here. And until next time I see you, as always imparting peace and power.